Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one disaster, flood, earthquake, or fire, and defining what your project will prove or teach. You build a 4-6 person team and assign roles so tasks run in parallel. This saves time and avoids overlap. Once roles are set, gather essentials: map, laptop, poster board, basic first aid kit, and data sources. Make sure to record meetings and capture photos for the report. Doing this now stops scrambling later and gives you evidence for grading. Now you move into detailed work. Draft a timeline divided into research, design, testing, and presentation. You collect local data, historical incidents, hazard maps, population density, and critical infrastructure, and note vulnerabilities. This gives credibility and context. Then design your deliverable: a physical model, map-based poster, or simple simulation that shows mitigation and evacuation routes. Once done, run a small test or dry run. Feedback at this stage lets you refine visuals and explanations before final assembly. Finish by assembling the final poster or model and polishing text, labels, and figures so everything reads in seconds. You rehearse a 3-minute presentation that highlights one key takeaway and 2 demo steps. Practice until transitions are smooth. Make printable backup notes and a digital copy. If you encounter missing data, state clear, reasonable assumptions and show how they affect conclusions. This transparency preserves credibility. Finally, make sure backups are accessible. That one precaution saves a project under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.